Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload high quality video on Google Drive. It's very easy to do it. So let's open our drive here, right? And I've here opened my drive. So here you have to just click on this plus icon. It's up to you if you want to make a folder and upload your video inside a folder, or you can just upload directly a video here. For example, so I will just click on upload, right? And you can see this is a video which I've recorded, and this is a great quality 1080p. So I'll just select this, and here you can see that it's uploading. So Google Drive always upload the exact same quality what you have over your phone or laptop or PC. So you need to make sure that the video, the file or folder, whichever you're uploading, it is in should be in a good quality. So if the video is already in a good quality, Google Drive will upload the same video exactly same over its to cloud. So this is how you can do it, and I hope you found this video very useful. And if you did, make sure to like this video.